Content is the most important part of a picture. However, the quality of an image is what makes it shine. Always double and triple check your photo before it goes live on social media. Frame the image so your viewers know exactly who the subject of the picture is and the point you're trying to get across. Be sure the picture isn't blurry. Also, a good rule of thumb is to face your subject into the light and avoid backlighting. Come up with a solid caption for each post. Write posts about specific patients or staff members. Mention them by name and write something unique about your relationship. Studies have shown that Facebook posts between 50 and 150 words receive 60% more interaction online. If your patient has liked your company page, tag them in the picture by using the @ symbol before typing their name and say something nice about them. Hashtags can also be helpful and are a fun way to organize photos and info by topic. A hashtag is a word or phrase preceded by a hash or £sign. These hashtags do not include spaces or punctuation. We suggest creating unique standardized hashtags for your practice, such as the name of your practice, so that all of your social content can be found in the same place, including content uploaded by your patients if they use your hashtags. Using hashtags can also connect your content to a broader social conversation online. Try to choose a quality photo, a personable caption, and a relevant hashtag. Doing those 3 things will reflect well on the personality of your practice. Now get out there and post some photos.